Looking for bold, chic, and low-maintenance hair? These short natural fade haircuts for black women bring out pure confidence. 1. Classic low fade. A timeless fade with clean edges that works for all face shapes and offers a neat, professional look. 2. High taper fade. Sleek and modern, this fade gives height and style, ideal for women who want a trendy yet versatile haircut. 3. Curly top fade, keeps natural curls on top with faded sides, perfect for highlighting natural texture in a stylish way. 4. Buzz fade cut, very short and sharp. This cut is bold and empowering, best for women who love low-maintenance looks. 5. Mohawk fade, edgy and daring, with volume in the middle and faded sides, perfect for confident personalities. 6. Temp fade with natural texture, accentuates natural coils with clean temple fades, giving a polished yet carefree vibe. 7. Bald fade, a close skin fade that emphasizes facial features, ideal for women who want a striking, minimalist style. 8. Fade with design lines. Unique shaved designs on the sides bring creativity and boldness, making it perfect for statement looks. 9. Tapered Afro fade, blends natural Afro volume on top with sleek tapered sides for a balanced, modern finish. 10. Side part fade, adds definition with a sharp side part, great for women who want a structured yet stylish cut. 11. Finger waves fade, retro finger waves on top with faded sides, bringing elegance and a touch of vintage glam. 12. Flat top fade, bold and structured. This cut is ideal for women who love a sharp, geometric look with personality. 13. Curly high fade, keeps curls high and voluminous, faded neatly at the sides for a fresh, youthful vibe. 14. Color pop fade, natural fade with bold hair color like red, blonde, or blue, for women who love standing out. 15. Fade with twists, mini twists on top with faded sides, combining natural texture with a modern, trendy edge.